watching momsonthego.com. We are going to do an unpackaging of something that we received today. So here's our nice little envelope. It's from my cousin's business, and she calls it MySassyLips.com. So we received this, and we're excited to open it. We received it a while back, but I'm just now getting a chance to open it. Okay, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And we have lots of videos coming up, and I'm looking for a mirror. I don't see one. I had a mirror. Okay, well, so let's see what's in here. MySassyLips.com. Look how cute. It's packaged in this nice little red case. Little draw bag. Oh, that's cute. And, oh, that is so cute. So, it says LipSync. I forgot what I ordered. But there you go. It's LipSync in the nice pretty bag. Make sure you go support her, MySassyLips.com, and I will put a link to the description, a link to her website in the description. This is neat. I think I must have gotten clear. So let's see if it just opens. Okay, good. Let's see what it smells like. Let's see if it has a scent. Not much of a scent. It's kind of just clear. I already have something on my lips, but let's see. Not too sticky. Doesn't feel heavy at all. I can't wait to try the other colors because she has like a lot of colors on her website. So this is called LipSync. It must be just clear. I'm not sure, but it looks clear. See, there you go. So MySassyLips.com. They put in a nice little draw bag here. You can easily put that in your purse or your makeup bag. And it came in this little fragile envelope, red envelope. Probably reuse it. Recycle, reuse. So go out and get you one. I think I like it. How does it look? Okay. And make sure you support her business, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We need you guys to like, please subscribe, and pass on to your friends, okay? Talk to you soon. God bless.